पणजीतील कथित अल्पवयीन मुलीवरील बलात्कार केल्याप्रकरणी आपल्या आस्थापनाचं नाव हेतुपुरस्सर गोवण्यात आल्याचा आरोप करीत खोटी बातमी देणाऱ्यांवर कायदेशीर कारवाई केली जाणार असल्याची माहिती शेरे पंजाब हॉटेलच्या मालकांनी दिली आहे. बलात्कार प्रकरणी अटक केलेल्या व्यक्तीचा आपल्या आस्थापनाशी दुरन्वय संबंध नसल्याचं स्पष्ट करून तो आपला नातेवाईकही नसल्याचं स्पष्टीकरण यावेळी मनदीप सिंग यांनी दिलं. यासंबंधी रितसर तक्रार पणजी पोलीस स्थानकात दाखल करण्यात आल्याची माहिती त्यांनी दिली.
Somebody falsely has added our name to the recent happening in Panjim regarding Mr. Varun Nair. So we have filed a police complaint. This is what came on the internet and also on Facebook. They have used our name unnecessarily without knowing who the people involved are. We have filed a police complaint regarding this. The complaint has been registered. This is a copy of that. We request you to please ask people to be more responsible before making statements like this. And there should be an inquiry with this tabloid, online tabloid called Goa Today, so how they have used his name wrongly without anything to do with us.
Desai, Vice President of Goa Hotel Restaurant Association. And on behalf of this association, we have taken cognizance of this wrongdoing which has happened on the media and the social media platforms also, and we strongly condemn it. We would request the people to be slightly more responsible before posting any such things which would malign the years of hard work that a person has put in, which has damaged the reputation of his family and his business. Because on the social media, as it comes out, they have even mentioned that there should be boycotts of these restaurants, etc., which I strongly feel should be people should be a bit more responsible in what they write, and should check facts before pointing out to any person or things which happen. That's all we have to say. And we have also taken a thing that the complaint has been filed with respect to this with the people who have written this thing on Facebook. Namely, one is Ms. Lima Samantha Fernandez, Pema Katrina Dakuna D'Souza. These are the people who have wrongly implicated Shere Punjab as co-owner and part of Delhi Darbar, which is not so. We as a restaurant association have known this gentleman for the past 30-35 years, and he's been more Goan as anyone can be, and he's been serving Goa for the past 50 years in the city of Panjim. And I think people should be more responsible about what they write about people in Goa. Thank you.
My name is Rajesh Salgaonkar. I'm the treasurer of Goa Hotel and Restaurant Association. We have come to know about this incident which took place in the city regarding some rape. Now this is a wrong name of the restaurant which is put over here by this Goa Today. It says Shere Punjab Delhi Darbar co-owner arrested for raping. Okay, now before putting this, they should at least confirm with the concerned people if this does the restaurant belong to the same person who has been arrested. Unnecessary putting names, it spoils the name of the person who has been doing this business for so many years and putting a name in the society. Once you put this name over here, it says Shere Punjab. Shere Punjab is no way concerned to Delhi Darbar. Delhi Darbar is a different association, organization, and Shere Punjab is a different organization. So I requested Goa Today to put an apology for putting a wrong name in the press, and this is a social media. And social media also, they should, before putting anything on the social media, they should at least know the facts, what are the facts, before putting it in the social media. So I request this Goa Today to file an apology, and Shere Punjab has also filed a police complaint regarding the same in Panjim police station, saying that they have used his name, they have wrongly used his name and with malicious content. So I request the social media and also people in the society to get the facts before putting anything on the social media. Thank you.
किती ॲक्शन लागतं? What action will
No, now action. See, now he already put the name of of his restaurant. So I request the concerned people also to say apology, and Goa Today also to file apology saying that Shere Punjabi no way concerned to the matter what has happened.